Hello everyone. So today we are going to start information, education and communication, and from there we are going to talk with definition and concept of IEC from the subject communication and educational technology. So topic for today, definitions of IEC, components of IEC. And before going to the main topics, we are going to see certain IEC materials or information, education and communication materials that is released by the Government of India, Health and Family Welfare Department on the prevention of coronavirus or COVID-19. Here we can see poster, brochure and fact sheets. Now we are heading to our main topic, definition of IEC. So information, education and communication, IEC refers to a public health technique to modify or reinforce health related behaviors in a target group of people concerning a specific problem in a specific period of time through communication techniques. So here you have seen, I have underlined some of the points as well as I have highlighted it with some red in color. So let's go through the definition once again. So IEC refers to a public health technique. So public health, we all know what is the meaning of public health. It is the health of the public or health of the people. So these techniques are related with the health of the people to modify or reinforce health related behaviors. So here we are going to either modify, if suppose some behaviors are not good for our health or some harmful behaviors we are practicing, then we have to modify, or reinforce, we have to support, we have to strengthen the behavior which are good for our health in a target group of people. So it is very much important that we have to understand which is the target group. So every group of people or community or society may have different problems. So according to the problems we are going to choose the group. And concerning a specific problem, so as I have told you, the community will have different problem. So target group is specific, and according to the group, the problem of the group is specific in a specific period of time. So time is also specific. So a problem is not for whole throughout the lifespan. In a specific period of time there will be certain problems. So that problem we have to deal with that specific period of time through certain communication techniques. So communication techniques can be many techniques. It may be poster, it may be brochure, it may be fact sheets, it may be sometimes televisions, it may be newspaper. So it can be various communication techniques we may have to use it for giving information, education and communication. So like at this current scenario we can see that our community or our whole country is targeting to one problem, that is the COVID-19 or novel coronavirus. So our all healthcare needs, our all communication techniques are targeting to the prevention of this COVID-19. Then in the next slide we have come to the concept of IEC. So concept, there are mainly three concepts of IEC: information, education and communication. So these are very familiar to you all, but still let's see in a simple way how we can tell information, education and communication. So first is information. It is defined as one or more statement or fact that is received by a human which have some form of worth to him. So here I have underlined statement or fact. So information are some certain statements or certain facts, and that is received by the humans. But human will receive only those facts or those information which have some worth or some value to them. For example, at this current scenario, Government of India or the ICMR or the different institutions, higher level medical institutions, they are giving various instructions to prevent the disease of coronavirus, and we are following it because we think these informations are value for our health, And if we follow this information like washing your hand, wearing your mask, maintaining social distancing, these are value for ourselves. We can prevent the disease. So that is the meaning of information. Second term is education. You all have learned in detail about education, but still in a simple way, it is the process by which behavioral changes takes place in an individual as a result of experience which he has undergone. So I have underlined that. So education will complete when there will be changes of your behavior occur. So then only your education is complete. If behavioral change is not occurring, that means education is not taking place. For example, in your television or newspaper, you have seen still today itself when the government is instructing on social distancing, in many of the places people are not following social distancing. They are still in a crowded area, they are not wearing masks. So that means the education is not adequate for them. So last, the concept was communication. As we have seen in the diagram, it is well known what is communication, but in a simple way, let's see again. It is defined as the process of conveying information from a sender to a receiver with the use of a medium. So communication is the sharing of information. There will be one sender, there will be one receiver. So for example, a teacher, when she is teaching in the class, the teacher is the sender and the student, she or he may be a receiver. But yes, it is very important, the communication is always should be two-way process. So there should be a feedback from the receiver, and of course it goes through some medium. The medium can be anything. It can be a telephone, may be a medium, the verbal, the written, any medium may choose. So that is about the definition of IEC and the concepts of IEC. So here we have come to the conclude of this small topic, but before conclusion there is an assignment for you all. So in a simple assignment, what are the concepts of health education? Once again I am telling what are the concepts of health education. So hope you have understood the concept and you know and you can complete the assignment. Thank you.